ClampStar Splice Repair Unit Installation Training Video Transmission Class Unit. For inline splices, ClampStars will provide full tension restoration and 250°C system uprating, allowing aged portions of infrastructure to be safely operated at temperatures well beyond their original design parameters. ClampStar Splice Repair Units are available in distribution class sizes and transmission class sizes. All ClampStar Splice units will restore the conductor connector system to full tension. This installation will be done using a transmission class full tension unit. Prior to installing the ClampStar, the conductor must be properly prepared by brushing the area that will be in contact with the ClampStar unit. Inhibitor is preloaded from the factory in the conductor grooves of the ClampStar and on the keepers as required. No other inhibitor is to be used. Place the ClampStar body on top of the conductor with the splice centered between the left and right side of the unit. If necessary, tie a safety rope around the unit and conductor. Slide one head unit onto the body until it hits the stop point. Snug up one or two fasteners to maintain the unit's position. It's important to note that all ClampStar transmission heads are unidirectional. They can only go into each body in one direction. This one-way only insertion assures the full tension keepers are always located toward the inboard end of the bodies. Transmission class ClampStar units are supplied with unique bolts designed to shear the appropriate torque level. The torque limiting bolt negates the need for a torque wrench, assures that proper fastener torque is achieved, and also provides inspectors a means to verify proper installation. To reduce installer fatigue and save a substantial amount of time, the use of power drivers, such as rattle guns or remote-controlled snake guns, are recommended. The fasteners may be tightened with either a T60 Torx or 6-spline star bit or a 3/4 inch or 19 mm socket. For full tension units, the standard bolts all tighten in multiple passes until the head shears. Then, the full tension keepers are tightened to shear in a single pass. Beginning at the innermost fastener, tighten the standard bolts in a linear fashion, equivalent to the number of layers of aluminum stranding over the core. For example, assume a conductor has 3 layers of aluminum stranding over 7 steel core strands. Apply torque to each bolt in succession 2 times, with the third application of torque continuing until the head snaps off. For transmission class ClampStar units, this will occur at 55 foot-pounds of torque or 75 Newton-meters. Once all the standard bolt heads have been sheared off, remove the rubber caps and drive each of the full tension bolts to full torque, shearing the head off before continuing to the next one, progressing through all in a single pass in either direction. Repeat the process on the other head unit. This splice is now permanently corrected and corona-free through 800 kV AC and 500 kV DC.